Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we will show you how to remove the rear seat on Hyundai Elantra. We are talking about the rear bottom seat. We'll do that video. A few of you guys asked us how to remove the seat. Most of the cars is you just pull it out. They usually have two clips, and there is something else that we need to do that, and there is some hidden bolt. So make sure you stay with us and we'll show you how to do that now. So in order to remove the seat, guys, now, okay, first thing that we will need to do, okay, right here, okay, you get your hand, and right here, let me show you exactly where it is. You need to find them. Okay, there is right here in the middle. Okay, check out where it is. In the middle of the seat there is a bolt with a 12mm socket. You need extension as well. Okay, we're almost there, and it's pointing that way, up a little bit. Okay, so we need to get it loose. Okay, that's good. And now you can grab the extension in the socket. Okay, hold the bolt with your hand and you can pull it out. This is the bolt, guys. Okay, there is one more identical to this one on this side, right in the middle of the seat. Okay, and it will take you some time, but you'll be able to see it. Perfect. Okay, you can grab the bolt, and later you can start them by hand and just get them tight when you install the seat. Don't forget these bolts. Now on the front right here, okay, there is two clips, one on this side, one on the other. So you need to grab the seat, push towards the back, okay, and pull up. Okay, and you need to get it with two hands. I cannot do it with one. Okay, like that. It's really strong. Now you need to get the seat belts out of the way. Okay, and you can pull the rear seat out of there now. It's loose. Okay guys, and you can see the seat comes out of there now. So that's how you guys remove the rear seat on Hyundai Elantra. Not very complicated, guys. This should cover the 2011 to 2016 model. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.